3, 2, 1. Hey, it's Trevor, and this is a top-down view of the solar system. You've probably seen these before in classrooms or in astronomy apps, and this can feel kind of conceptual. It doesn't really feel that real. But through February and March 2023, I have a challenge for you, and it's gonna make this very conceptual thing, the solar system, feel more real. It's gonna make the solar system feel more like a neighborhood. You don't need binoculars, you don't need a telescope. You can do this with the naked eye, even in a light-polluted city. So starting now, in February 2023, on clear evenings, look to the west about 30 minutes after the sun sets, and you're gonna see two bright dots. The one in the lower right, that's Venus, and the one above it, that is Jupiter. For the next few weeks, take a photo each time you see this, and you're gonna start to notice something. The two dots, they're gonna get closer and closer to each other. And on March 1st, they're gonna be right beside each other. After March 1st, Venus will keep getting higher and higher as Jupiter gets lower and lower in the sky. Continue watching it for a few weeks after this until mid-March and see how far apart the two bright dots eventually get. So what is it we're actually seeing here? Well, remember that top-down view of the solar system that I showed at the beginning? You can kind of imagine the solar system kind of like a racetrack. Venus is closer to the sun than Jupiter is, and so Venus has more of an inside track than Jupiter does on an outside track. From this top-down view, it looks like Venus is lapping Jupiter, but it's still kind of conceptual and not what we see here on Earth. But here's the cool part. Here's what happens when I shift the solar system onto its side and see it from Earth's point of view. Now Venus really looks like it's coming around the bend and lapping Jupiter. I'll take this one step further and tilt the entire solar system so it matches what we'll see here on Earth over the next few weeks. Venus and Jupiter are the brightest planets in the sky, and they are super easy to see. If you didn't know what was going on, it's neat to see bright dots move closer and closer together over time, but knowing why that's happening and being able to visualize something that feels conceptual and turn into a real thing gives me chills, and I hope it does for you too. So, over February and March 2023, look for Jupiter and Venus in the western sky shortly after sunset. Take photos and watch how it changes over time. Thanks for watching.